a visit to the big red chair. Who awaits us? Hello!
Hello.
These are the easy bits. And what's your name, sir?
My name's Brad.
Bread?
Brad.
Brad. Okay. I feel like a barista at Starbucks. I'm just having bread on the cup. Okay, Brad, sorry. And where are you from, Brad?
New Zealand.
Of course you are. They're always from New Zealand. I don't know. New Zealand must be empty. You must go to New Zealand and the airport is deserted. They're all queuing for the red chair. Okay, Brad. Do you live here or if you're just visiting?
I'm living in London for 2 years.
What do you do here?
I'm working in a marketing department for a university in London.
Oh, sounds quite a proper job, doesn't it? Yeah, well done, Brad. Okay, Brad, off you go with your story.
So I was in Italy, actually, in Naples, and was walking down the street, and it was obviously in a lightning storm, and there was a heck of a lot of rain coming down. A very, very kind old lady offered me shelter in her house, and I went in, she made me a coffee, and she offered me a change of clothing. It was when I was in the room next door, trying to put my leg through the trousers that I tripped over. I knocked a bookshelf, and the urn on the top of the bookshelf came crashing down. I was still wet from the rain, and as the urn hit the ground, the ash went all over me. To make matters a little bit worse, as I managed to pull the pants up around my waist and started to clean up the mess that I had made, I saw a photo, and it was the lady's husband, well, what looked like her husband, and he was wearing the same pants that I had just so that was potentially the most embarrassing and awkward.
That is a very good story. That's excellent. You can walk. Walk, Brad. Walk. Do you want to be flipped? No, walk. Oh, you want to be flipped? Oh, you want to be flipped? Okay, there you go, Brad. Hey, very good. That was a good story. Lots of detail. It was excellent. There's a short story in that. Normally, Matthew, they're not very good. We've set the bar a little high, I feel. Who's next?